Hi everybody, I'm Chimney Chuck, and today I wanted to talk to you about the proper type of chimney cap. One of the most important things that you can do to your chimney is to make sure that it's covered. Just like a roof of your home, you want to have the correct type and the correct protective covering on top of your chimney. Unfortunately, most people, if they do have a cap, they'll buy what's called a single flue cap, and it's something that only goes on the exposed pipe or the flue liner, and it only gives you limited protection. What we recommend is a cap that goes to the outside perimeter of the brick edges or the masonry structure if it's stone, or if it's a factory built fireplace, you would want to have something that covers the whole top of it. And you want to have something that has an overhang, so when it does rain, it sheds the water off of the top of the chimney, so you don't allow water to soak into either the brickwork or the cement slab on top, which is called your chimney crown. When water seeps into the brickwork and the crown work, it'll start to migrate through wall spaces and attics, and that creates wood rot and mold. And that becomes something that's expensive to fix, and breathing mold is not healthy for you or anyone else in your family. So let's be proactive. Let's have our chimneys inspected on a yearly basis. Let's make sure we're not having any damage due to water entry from not having the proper size cap. If you'd like to see any of the type of caps we install, please go to our website, which is cleansweepaa.com. We make chimneys healthy. I'm Chimney Chuck. Thank you for joining us.